Hello, welcome. This lesson is for Phonemic Poem 4 in the new pronunciation series here on Learn British English Free on YouTube. My name is Chris. The sound that we're studying in this poem is one of the long vowel sounds, E, E, like in C. I've done other exercises before. Please check them out now. I put the links here to the previous videos. Remember, it's a long sound. This is the important thing, long, to make it different from other sounds. The mouth must be wide as well. E. A long sound with a wide mouth. This is the best way to do it. Let's practice. Phonemic Poem 4. Please read with me. Heel and peel, meet and greet, clean your teeth, preen your feet, ship or sheep, sell or seal, don't get ill, just heat the meal. Green, pink, yellow, cheese is neat, dream of easy words to beat. This and these aren't hard to please. Feel your doubts, kneel on weak knees. Phonemic Poem 4 there, by me, Chris, practicing the long E sound. Your mouth might be tired and the cheeks tired from all the work they've been doing. Good luck with this. Please write a comment if you want to with your feedback. That would be nice. Remember, more poems and lessons are coming in this series very soon. Please subscribe to Learn British English Free on YouTube to see those. And you can also join on the British English page on Facebook, on the website www.learnbritishenglish.co.uk. Don't forget the other websites, Learn British English on Instagram, on Twitter, on Tumblr, on Google+, everywhere you need. It's all free. Everyone is welcome. Please check the description for the links to the different websites. Please share with your friends as well. Anyway, thanks for your time. Thanks for watching. I will see you soon. Goodbye.